Hey, this is a sample project, just trying to train individuals who've never worked in a project before, um, how to accrue time. We also have certain things that show estimated time versus actual hours. Um, we should have like a fair assessment of how long it should take for each task. These are all tasks. You can view details and look at them. But if the estimate is off, it should be adjusted. The actual hours is when people are actually doing their billing. But we have 1.1 that is typically for like setting up the project, assigning the correct contract to the project, as well as basic communication to everyone on the team. It all kind of defaults into 1.1. 1.2 is very, very important. We don't know what is involved in the project unless we plan for it, document, do a little discovery with the client. So there's a hefty amount of hours that we usually copy and paste the questionnaire and put it into our knowledge base platform, so we can execute the rest of these steps accordingly. Now, if you actually open up one of these tasks and have it run, it's going to accrue time automatically. And for those smart people that just know what to do to execute a project after doing the discovery, you can actually accumulate time on one task, and it would say 2 hours later, 2.5 hours, 4 hours later, depending on how many of these tasks you were able to get done, all by through muscle memory. You can divvy up, say, like 4 hours into these specific tasks, and there's going to be things that you will miss. So you have to just do time entries that apply to the related task and divvy up the 4 hours into an hour here, 15 minutes there, 2 hours here. But yeah, you're going to miss some things along the way. So that's how you take something that is a tedious process of going through one by one and actually just doing it by muscle memory and then um, divvying up the time allotted to each specific task. Hopefully that helps. Also, we have this thing for related tickets because there's um, support issues afterwards. After you do something, you want to make sure those tickets are associated here and they're related to the contract at hand, not to the default contract. Hopefully that helps.